Welcome to the world of data science, where information transforms into insights. At its core, data science is the art of uncovering hidden patterns, making predictions, and extracting knowledge from large sets of data. It's like being a detective for numbers, using tools like programming, statistics, and machine learning to solve complex problems. Every time you browse the internet, shop online, or use social media, you're generating data that data scientists can analyze to improve your experience. Data science helps us turn raw data into meaningful information and knowledge, guiding better decisions and innovations. Businesses use data science to understand customer preferences, optimize operations, and create targeted marketing strategies. Machine learning, a subset of data science, allows computers to learn and improve from data without explicit programming. Even in our personal lives, data science is at play, helping us track our fitness, recommend movies, and even predict the weather. In research, data science unites experts worldwide, enabling collaboration to tackle global challenges like healthcare, climate change, and more. Learning data science opens doors to exciting careers, making you a valuable asset in a data-driven world. So, whether you're crunching numbers or creating algorithms, remember, data science empowers us to shape a smarter future. Start your journey today.